look for decay today a lot different than we did even just 2-3 years ago. The old styles, I hate to say old, but the older styles, using radiographs, x-rays, taking an explorer, pushing into someone's tooth, looking for soft spots, looking for changes in mineral content of the enamel or dentin. Today we can go through actually and use scanning technology, and you can scan a tooth's optics by how it reflects light to know the mineral content of a tooth. I don't have to shove my explorer into someone's tooth to check for decay. I can go through actually just scan the enamel surface, and I can actually scan the enamel surface and know what's going on inside the core of the tooth without even touching the core of the tooth. Just like doing a sonogram to see a baby and check for the sex of a baby and how the health of the baby and the baby's heart, we can scan inside a tooth now and see the health of a tooth inside and make sure the enamel's content is solid and healthy and sound. We can check for the earliest detection of change in the mineral content to know should we seal the tooth right away, put a child on fluoride to prevent decay, or we can scan the core of a tooth and see what's going on inside the dentin of the tooth, the inside part of the tooth, without drilling a hole into it to check that area. So by scanning, we can tell the surface. We can make sure visually what we're seeing is what we think we're seeing, and more so inside the core of a tooth, is there a change? Which means less radiographs, means less false restorations, less false diagnoses of decay. When we make a diagnosis now, we know what we got.